Hello, hello, hello. Happy Monday, happy Monday. Hello, leaders. Yeah, I'm very late today. I am fashionably late. I had a last minute client that just left right now. So let's see what we can do with the groups. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay. Let's see here. Is it doing it? No. Okay, no. It shows that I'm live, so it's fine. Good morning, good morning, good morning. My apologies that I'm late. I had a last minute client. Good morning, Karine, leader Karine, my aspiring product specialist. Let us please share with our partners in the groups. Let's see. Let us please share. My apologies for being late, leaders. I had a last minute client right now. So let's share the link. Hello, Bulanle. I love your enthusiasm. I must meet you one day. Where are you from, Bulanle? Mm-mm-mm. Good morning, my leaders. Let's please invite our partners. Let's please invite for the leaders that just came on now. I apologize for being late. I had a last minute client. Yeah, 2 panty liners, one antiperspirant dew, and one box of bamboo gone. Yeah. Good evening, Leader Chi. Welcome. You watching from Lagos, Nigeria. Welcome, welcome, leadership. So let's just please share. We'll start just now in a minute or two. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. I see product specialist. I only see one aspiring one here. Okay, so let me send on the other groups. Let's just please share. Exciting stuff. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. Which other one? Okay, the one with the Longreach head office one. Okay. Whilst we do that, oh yes, let's just share also with who's that? Let's see quickly. So my leaders, as always, welcome Leader Angela, welcome leadership, welcome. Oh hey, Kenya, hello Kenya in the house. Let's just invite. So today, for the leaders that do not know, I'm doing training on a couple of our new products. Let me just fetch my PDFs quickly while, yes, we are waiting for our other esteemed leaders. Where's my page? Here it is. Yeah, you see, I'm in training. I must also write things down. I hope you've got your pens, your books, your journals, wherever you write. I hope you've got those. So it's this one, this one, this one. Let's just do this. Hope everyone is doing well on this beautiful, what is it? I think it's the last Monday, not of Jan. This is the last Monday of January. Just paste these and just open these PDFs. My leaders, our products are very good, hey? Our products are very, very good. Okay, and then the third one. All right. Let me see. All right. So my leaders, we're good. We're good to go, right? We can start now, right? So the training will go until what, around 8:15 since we started now, 8:10 or so. Okay. So we're training on 4 products, which are namely the baby toothpaste, the baby bath soap, the vitamin C chewable tablets, and our 3-in-1 soap, long-lasting soap. Okay. Now, I would welcome below, welcome leadership, Long TV Network. I presume that's Coach Z. I'm presuming. I'm not sure. I'm presuming. I'm not sure. Let me also remember to also go on Facebook with my phone because remember, some messages don't appear here that appear here on Facebook. I hope we're excited. I hope we're excited. We are doing 4 products. Yeah, we are doing 4 products. Remember, I said the toothpaste, the baby toothpaste, our I don't have the baby toothpaste, unfortunately. Our baby soap, this one. Welcome, Cozy. Our baby bath soap, our 3-in-1 long lasting soap. These products, I was one of my esteemed product specialist trainees kindly gave them to me. And then our chewable vitamin C, and then the baby toothpaste. Of course, I don't have the baby toothpaste, but that's not a train smash. Welcome, Onalena. Welcome, welcome. Uh, the training on the toothpaste is actually inspired by Onalena. Yeah, Onalena shared a powerful testimony today with us. I don't know if you didn't see it. If you didn't see it, Onalena, please share the link of your testimony regarding your baby and teething. So what I want to do is start with the baby toothpaste. Okay. All right. Let's start with the baby toothpaste and then we'll move along. Okay. Yeah, there's no audio. Good morning, Leader Oliswa. Welcome, welcome, leadership. Let's just hide that. Okay. Oh, why is this laptop slow? Why is this laptop slow? Okay. So my leaders, there's a Longlish Baby Toothpaste. Um, as you can see, it's written there. It's fruity type. Kids anti-mite toothpaste, strawberry flavor. Good morning, Sir Richard. It's a fruit type, strawberry flavor. Let your child fall in love with brushing. Okay, all the leaders that I know, whose nieces, kids, nephews brush their teeth with this toothpaste. They don't want any other toothpaste after that. So it's fluoride containing, so it has fluoride. It prevents cavities. It prevents tartar. Now, I need to let's go here. Let us go here. So here's this. Thank you, Onalena. Thank you, my baby. My person. Thank you. So here's the 4 big points to care for the mouth. Healthy gums, right? Strong gums help care for children's oral health. Remember, I hope that you've seen my training on oral health or have my PDF somewhere on oral health. Oral health is part of your overall well-being. It's got fluoride, right? Fluoride containing helps prevent tooth decay on the surface. It's got calcium, specially added calcium cares for children's tender teeth, and then it has a fruity tooth. It's got a fruity taste to it. It's a gel toothpaste with new strawberry flavor, more easily loved by children. So maybe that's why these kids love the strawberry toothpaste so much because it tastes amazing. I know Kia, my partner in crime from Northern Cape, her niece only wants this toothpaste. Her niece only wants this toothpaste. Now, All right, here are the specifications. It's a kids anti-mite 60-gram bottle. I need to emphasize the part where it says anti-mite. Let's not take that lightly. Do I have water in here? Let's not take that lightly. There are kids who get infections from mites, from dust mites. Um, I'll show you the picture now, just now. We've got, okay, strawberry flavor usage is 3 to 12 years old children. But Unalina's child, even Kia's niece, they've been using this toothpaste since last year, right? And they are below that age of 3 years. Thank you, Nana. They are below that age of 3 years, and it's working wonders for them. So Onalina's testimony, welcome Leader Justine. Onalina's testimony is about her child who's now 1 year, 3 months old. The child was always having a problem. Every time that she's teething, she gets a fever, cold, she's always crying. Now, since she adopted, she became a proper distributor, used the longest toothpaste for her child. Now, the only time that they see that the child is teething is when the child loses the teeth or a tooth. Isn't that amazing? Because she's been using the stuff that she gets at retail stores. I'm not going to name names. The stuff that she gets at retail stores, and they don't work as well. They don't work as well as our long toothpaste, the kids' toothpaste. Right. Obviously, they say precautions recommended for children 6 years old and younger to use in pea size and under adult supervision to reduce swallowing each time. Remember, children love to swallow. Children love to swallow, guys. So let me just see if I do have. Uh, okay. Oh yeah, I'm sharing screen now. Forgot. Now forgot where I was. I just want to see quickly. I just want to show you an example. This client came to me as I was on this thing of mice. I wanted to show you. There were pictures. I just want to see if I can see those pictures. No man. You know what? Okay, so my leaders, so you do get children that do get, yeah, scabies. In babies and toddlers under the age of 2. Scabies is a severely itchy rash of scattered pimply red or flesh-colored bumps that tend to occur on the head, the neck, and the palms and soles of their feet. So we need to actually look at that thing very carefully. When the toothpaste says anti-mite, we really need to be mindful of that. So, in other words, if your child does have some allergic reaction, you can use the baby toothpaste on your child. That's what I'm saying. So that toothpaste is multi-effect. They should actually write multi-effect on the toothpaste as well. Moving on because of time. The long-lasting 3-in-1 soap. We are writing down, right? Remember, Onalina just shared that testimony that she gave. Please use that testimony, great leaders. Please, please, please. We need for the toothpaste to sell out. So, introduction. The long-lasting 3-in-1 soap is a multi-action, deep cleaning soap with floral notes. It is definitely more than meets the eye. Yeah. Leaders, I've used the soap for so many things, but I'll tell you what I used it for. So the ingredients, sodium soap, aqua glycerine, titanium dioxide, and fragrance. It smells, it has a rosy scent. Okay. So because of time, I'll just go to the benefits. Okay. How many pages is this thing? Okay. Here's the benefits of our 3-in-1 soap. It's deep cleaning properties for clothing, dishes, and skin. Hence, it's a 3-in-1 soap. Welcome, welcome, great leaders. Thank you for joining. Thank you. It may be used to remove blemishes. Yes, blemishes on the skin. It may help fight acne, psoriasis, eczema, rosacea, and other common skin disorders can be mitigated or controlled by using the soap regularly. It hydrates the skin, thereby minimizes the risk or appearance of stretch marks and silver stripes. I think we ladies can, yeah, we will buy this soap more. Okay, it's anti-aging. It is brightening for both skin and clothing. It protects the skin from harmful UVA rays with continued use. Keep using your sunscreen though. Okay, your SOD. It's got some sunscreen. It may be used as a hair shampoo, guys, and it also may be used as a pet shampoo. But you need to double check with your vet first because, like us, pets can have sensitive skin as well. Using the wrong product can leave them itchy and scratching after a bath. So now, welcome to the charity, Tito. Welcome, welcome. So the packaging is 5 bars of soap, which are 700 gram net weight. Leaders, I want to show you something. I want to show you something about the soap. Oh, the soap smells amazing. I want to show you something. Okay, see, right? So it's these bars, right? Okay, maybe let me, so that I can appear properly, maybe let me just stop screen sharing. Okay. Okay. All right. So this is what it looks like. I've already cut off the other one like 10 days ago, right? Now, I want to show you something. Ugh. All right. There, it's coming off, right? It smells. If you love spa treatments, you should bath with this. You see the size? I want to show you. This is the one that I've been using for more than a week now. It's about 10 days. Let's see, 5, 6, 7. It's 8 days now. It's 8 days. I've been using the soap every day for the last 8 days, today included. Look at the size. I want you to see this. It's still gonna last me a week. So when they say long lasting, they actually mean it that it's long lasting. All right, it's long lasting because of the. Now I'm trying not to be like a product specialist, but I can't help it. It's long lasting because of because of the sodium hydroxide in it. All right. So this soap is value for money. That's why I think one of the benefits I did write that it's value for money. Okay, here I forgot. So this soap really does last long. I'm using it for 8 days now, and it smells amazing, guys. So please get yourself the soap, this multi-effect soap. So what I've done, I have washed my kitchen walls with it. My walls look amazing. All right, and our kitchen wall is super white. It's super white. Okay, so I made a comparison with it with Handy Engine one side, and then with this one side, and then with just water the other side. I'm telling you, this is just as good as Handy Engine on your walls. Even after you bath, you can use it like that. All right. So please get yourself this. So I've done kitchen walls. I've done laundry. My whites. Oh my word! Looks like I put jig in it. My whites are they go twa. You know, as black people, we say white earring twa. Yeah. Okay, I've bathed with it. So I use it for for therapy. You know, like once a week. I want that therapy, the me time. So I use it for my therapy. Ne? All right, so I've used for that. I've used it to to wash the bathtub. You know, after I bath. I've used it washing dishes as well. It's very good. Yes, hey, you know, you know, we are so black. It goes to the way that goes to. So this long lasting, it's not the long lasting for nothing. This soap is amazing. It's amazing, leaders. This soap is very much amazing. Please get yourself the soap and try it out for yourselves. Are we together? Are we together? Did you write down the benefits? Let me go through the benefits again. Let's share again. Yeah. Okay. Let's go through the benefits again quickly for of the 3-in-1 soap. Okay, it's deep cleaning properties for clothing, dishes, and skin. Yes, SDT. Welcome, welcome, SD. It's good for, yeah, for clothing, for dishes, for skin, and walls, and porcelain. I used it myself the last 8 days. It works wonders. Maybe used to remove blemishes, may help fight acne and skin conditions like eczema, psoriasis. It hydrates the skin, thereby minimizing the risk or appearance of stretch marks and silver stripes, and kind of called sagginess because it's hydrated. You know, it's anti-aging. It's brightening for both skin and clothing. It protects the skin from harmful UVA rays with continued use. But obviously, I said keep using your SOD cream because it's got sunscreen. It may be used as a hair shampoo. You can also use it on your pets. But I always said, remember, I said always seek your vet's advice first. We don't want matatas. And then obviously, there's cautions everywhere. Avoid contact with eyes, obviously. Keep out of reach of children. Discontinue use if irritation occurs and keep in a cool and dry place. Moving on. Long reach baby bath soap. Okay, now I need to drink water now. Are we together, leaders? Okay, we're still together. Sharp. I said I didn't lose anyone anyway. So the long reach baby bath soap. Welcome to the Hamim. Okay, this is a 320 gram soap. It's very big, this soap. Oh my word. It's lightly fragrant with many health benefits for babies. Okay, and for adults. It keeps baby skin protected from environmental toxins, which are all around us, resulting from environmental toxins like your car fumes, your air pollution, heavy metals, dust, and many more. What did I just say now about dust mites and baby toothpaste? So now, okay, those are the ingredients. I don't want to go too much in the ingredients, but yeah, palm oil, fatty acid, sodium salt, palm kernel oil, which is also in our coffee. Obviously, it's got water. It has to have water. Chelating agent, glycerin, and perfume. Now, I'm not gonna go into the nitty gritties. What is palm oil? Blah blah blah. But the health benefits of palm oil is that, my leaders, please take note of this one. It decreases. Okay, a decrease in a condition called atherosclerosis and arterial thrombosis risk. So this is part of what CVD. CVD. Remember, CVD were the leading causes of death worldwide prior to COVID. It reduces oxidative stress, platelet aggregation. That's blood coagulation. Okay, now I don't want to be like a product specialist now. We'll save that for the academy. Cholesterol biosynthesis inhibition. So it lowers bad cholesterol and it reduces blood pressure. These are some of the benefits of palm oil. Now, okay, I want to mention this one. Good morning, leadership. Good morning, Lila Rosari. Welcome, welcome. Um, Let me just see here. This one for pregnant mummies who want to make sure that their milk is highly nutritious. They should take 2 to 3 tablespoons of palm oil every day from adults to children. Now, obviously, we're talking about soap, right? We're talking about soap. But one thing I need to mention is there in red. Let's see. Yeah, that whatever you use on your skin, remember the skin is porous. Whatever you use on your skin will eventually find its way into your bloodstream. From your antiperspirant, do your roll on, your lip gloss, anything that you put on your skin will eventually find its way into your bloodstream. This is why so many of us are sick because we don't check the ingredients of what we buy. All right, then whatever is in there, the toxins will eventually find out itself in our bloodstream, and then we have complications that we've never heard of in our family histories. Okay, that's why we need to buy long reach products. ISO certified. Now let's go. As you can see, the palm kernel oil, which is in the baby bath soap, Benefits hair, moisturizes hair, strengthens hair. It's also good for itchy scalp. I want to go quickly to the benefits. Benefits. Okay. Now, main benefits from the baby bath soap. It keeps skin hydrated and young. It has antioxidants. It reduces acne, my ladies and gents. Uh, Leader Hamilton, welcome, Leader Hamilton. Coach Age. It is safe and gentle on skin, so it's also good for eczema as well. So, my leaders, if you have children, young kids, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 years, 8 years, that have allergy reaction, please try our baby bath soap. Please, it's very good for sensitive skin. It's also good for skin ailments as well. Yes, Professor Mankolo. Yes, adults can use the baby bath soap. It heals and protects the skin. It moisturizes and strengthens hair and scalp. That's very important for our little ones. Remember, they always get uh, body ringworms. This is where I'm trying to link. I want to show you the link that maybe you'll find your toddler. Let's say maybe your toddler is just over a year old. Your toddler just plays in the house, right? No, they don't go outside, for argument's sake. And then all of a sudden they get a skin reaction. You've got the baby toothpaste. You can put on the baby toothpaste, right? For about an hour. And then bath time, you use this soap. All right. It's antibacterial, it's antiviral, and antifungal as well. Our soap, baby bath soap. It's an excellent choice for newborn babies. It is big and lasts long. Remember, it's 320 grams. This thing is big. Yo, you can give a person a concussion with this thing, which is value for money plus health. It may be used on calluses. Remember, manga. There are people who've got calluses like on their hands and on their feet. This is also a good option for them. What's also good in Longlish for calluses is our hand cream as well. Adults, Professor Mankolo, the last one, adults can also use it. There it is, Prof. There it is. Adults can also use it. Right. Moving on to this product. Our long rich calcium. I did calcium. Oh, my leaders, I did the wrong one. It's supposed to be vitamin C. You see now, I did calcium instead of vitamin C. How do you like that? Okay, let me open. And I actually chose, oh my word, instead of vitamin C, there's vitamin C tablets. Okay, here's the right PDF. Oh my word. Okay, so my leaders, our vitamin C is not just any vitamin C. Okay, our vitamin C is not just any vitamin C. Are we together? Are we learning? I know I'm going fast, but I hope I'm not losing anyone. Are we still together? Talk to me. Talk to me. I want an active class. Are we still together? Or maybe my network. Let me also put on my network here. Okay, my network is fine. Okay. Okay, thank you, Osmudiechi. Thank you so much. Leadership. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so now we're going to the longish vitamin C, which is not like the vitamin C you get anywhere else, right? Why? Our vitamin C is the L-ascorbic acid, which is one of the two forms of vitamin C found in nature and is the most biologically active, meaning it's the most beneficial. Is this sinking in? Leader Charity, you can inbox me. My PDFs cost money now. I don't share any PDFs for free anymore. Unfortunately, my PDFs are reviewed by actual professor. In fact, today all of my PDFs were assessed. Actually, yeah, since last weekend, and today was the last day. Yeah, my PDFs are assessed. They're checked by a professor, And yeah, she gave me recommendations on the PDFs. They are definitely not for free. So this PDF is 500 rand, leadership. This PDF, any PDF that's 6 pages and less, is 350. Between 7 and 14 pages is 500. Any PDF that's 15 pages and between 15 and 25 pages is 750. And any PDF that's more than 25 pages is 1,000 rand. Those are the recommendations by an actual professor, one of my business partners. Okay, so my leaders, so this is our vitamin C. Yes, Lida Bonanle, vitamin C is safe for ulcer patients, my angel. For ulcer patients, I would rather actually recommend the berry oil. The berry oil also has vitamin C. So with the ulcer, the berry oil will help them with the ulcer and also give them the vitamin C. Remember, vitamin C, we have to ingest it. The body cannot manufacture it. We have to take it every day. All right, we have to ingest it. We need vitamin C every day. So our vitamin C, the main ingredient is the L-ascorbic acid, and then with the excipients, the blah blah blah, the other extra stuff that makes it what it is. Okay, but the main ingredient is the L-ascorbic acid, the more potent form of vitamin C. All right, I'm gonna go to the benefits because this PDF is, yeah, there's just too much on this PDF. Let me see. Let me just mention. No, but in the benefits, I've actually shortened it. Uh-huh. In the benefits. Okay. So these are the benefits of the long reach vitamin C. All right. It's antibacterial and antiviral. It has antibacterial and antiviral properties. It is jam-packed with antioxidants. It supports immune systems, may reduce severity and duration of cold when taken regularly. Please note, sorry, I said it can reduce. So it's not necessary that you won't get a flu. You will get a flu, yes, but if you're taking the vitamin C regularly, it will reduce severity and duration of the cold. Yes, Unalinda, yes. Thank you, my baby. Thank you for reminding me about the pie cup. Yes, that's right. Okay. And then each tablet contains 213 milligrams of vitamin C with an orange flavor. It's very, very nice. It's chewable. It has anti-aging properties. It boosts collagen production. Now, I am a testimony of this part that it's anti-aging. Guys, my skin is beautiful right now because of I took for 6 months. I do have a testimony. I took the Dreamy Beauty capsules, well known as Menquin, and then from October I started taking the vitamin C, and really within 5 days I could see the huge difference by adding the vitamin C. My skin now is flawless. I've had this other condition for the last about uh, 14 years now, and my problem is now sorted because of long supplements. Yes, vitamin C is very, very important, leadership. Very, very important. It's also very important for hey, these product specialists. Okay, the homework was on the cheese, ne? It's very important for the liver as well. So vitamin C is actually very critical. We need to have it every day. It helps prevent scurvy. It helps prevent lead toxicity. I don't know if there's leaders who were in last year's training, where I was training on lead. Lead is nothing to be taken lightly. Lead is very dangerous. So if you did miss that training, please just go back to last year. It was towards the end of last year, October or November, where I trained on lead. On lead, lead is very, very poisonous. Okay, it relieves symptoms of asthma, so it's actually very good for your respiratory, uh, your respiratory organs. So it's good for asthma. Remember, it's also good for colds. So in other words, even sinuses. It's excellent for progesterone levels in women. It's excellent for the reproductive health, obviously, especially in women. It's good for anxiety and stress management as it promotes mood stability. It's a natural antihistamine. People who suffer from allergies will know what I'm talking about. It improves thyroid health. So whether you are it's an underactive thyroid or an overactive thyroid, you will be helped by the long-rich vitamin C. It aids heart and brain health, and it's a must-have in the COVID-19 pandemic. Remember, the doctors tell us that we need to take, remember vitamin C, we need to take zinc, vitamin C, zinc, and vitamin D. So you can supplement with the long-reach product. Now, I let me just see. I see I went very, very fast. I want to explain to you these benefits that I'm talking about. These benefits. There's a lot. Oh my word. So even ladies who want to fall pregnant, they can actually use the vitamin C. But then when you are pregnant, you need to stop. At least you need to stop. I don't want to go too much, but I wanted this one. Okay, vitamin C for the heart health. While we can't completely attribute vitamin C intake to a healthier heart, it seems like increased intake of this vitamin may indicate better heart health. Okay, better heart health. So vitamin C is also very good for your heart. And then vitamin C for memory. Studies have shown that lower levels of vitamin C may correspond with impaired cognitive function. So cognitive function is what? Your memory, your reasoning capacity. All right. And oxidative stress is likely a key factor in the development of Alzheimer's disease. Remember, Alzheimer's is a neurological disease. So if you have someone who's got Alzheimer, who's got dementia, please ask them to also recommend the long-reach vitamin C as well. All right, my leaders, please do that. Now, some of the signs that vitamin C deficiency may be an issue include poor immunity, and then something called lethargy. Are these products only in SA? Lida Bolana, I'm not sure, my angel. Please ask your stockist. I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. When it comes to asking about products, the best place is I rather ask your stockist. I'm not a stockist. Okay, so lethargy, which is a lack of energy and enthusiasm. So when you're feeling down, remember vitamin C does what? It stabilizes your mood, right? If you have rough, dry skin, thin and brittle nails, if you have bleeding gums, if you are losing your teeth as an adult, it's a big no-no. If you have a lot of swellings, inflammation, and if you are anemic, those are some of the signs that you have a deficiency in vitamin C. So these excipients, the sorbitol, magnesium stearate, what they are integral components of pharmaceutical drug products. The structure of a dosage form and its function in drug delivery is largely dependent by excipients. So that's why there's the sorbitol, the magnesium, blah, 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 blah. That's what excipients mean. It's just added on so that the product is delivered better into your system. I hope I'm making sense, ne? So please take note. Suitable users are adults who need to supplement with vitamin C. So obviously, it's all of us. We don't all eat products with vitamin C. Unsuitable users. Oh, Terufato, thank you so much. Unsuitable users are children under the age of 17 years of age, pregnant ladies, and breastfeeding mothers. We are talking about the long-reach vitamin C here, right? And then caution, patients with an illness called PKU, phenylketonuria, should use with caution as product already has phenylalanine. All right. Dosage is 1 tablet per day by chewing. The quantity, I made this in bold because I love it. Let me zoom. Yes, yes. Quantity of tablets, 1.2 grams of 60 tablets. This means it's a 2-month supply. How about 2 month supply? This beautiful product, 2 month supply. And storage keeps stored and sealed in a cool, dry place. And obviously, this product is no substitute for medicine. Always go to your GP, your clinic, and get, medical advice. Remember, I'm not a medical doctor. I'm just a researcher and all other things, but a doctor. Okay, all right. So please still go see your doctor, your clinic, and just supplement with the Longish products. And remember, with the Longish products, whether it's the cheese, whether it's the pie cup, anything that you put in your mouth, you do not take it simultaneously with any other treatment you might be on. You don't even mix it with a painkiller. Okay, you don't even mix it with a painkiller. All right. So that what are you doing? You are giving each product a chance to work in your system. All right. We don't mix them. Um, we don't mix them at all. You need to give them each a chance. Remember, it's herbs, and then the painkillers and prescriptions, the antibiotics. Those are chemicals. So they're gonna counter each other. There's a high chance that they will counter each other. So I always advise that you take them at least an hour before, because you know what? Yes, we normally say 30 minutes. Normally we say 30 minutes, but the problem here is Fifi, you are late. But welcome. Thank you for making it. The thing is, there are some medications that take longer than 30 minutes in your system. You see, and we cannot always all be sitting and researching which medication takes longer than 30 minutes. No. So the safest thing for you and me to do is what? Is to take the product 1 hour apart. So if you drink your medication at 7 in the morning, then from 8 you can take the long rich cheese, and then you take everything else. And remember, the pack up, you do not mix it with anything. Don't be clever. Please, your medication will not work. Your long supplements will not work if you take the alkaline pack-up with any supplement simultaneously. The pack-up is strong, guys. That's why it's also five to death people on the bed. They stand up, after a day or so, you know. So the alkaline pack-up is very strong. We don't mix it with anything. Okay, my leaders. I didn't think this training will go so fast, but let me remind you, leaders, né? Remember, the schools just opened now, right? So the schools just opened. So we need to really, what do you call? We need to really advertise or market our mouth freshener more and our calcium more. You can make it as a back to school package. Those two, those two, the calcium, the chewable calcium, and the mouth freshener. Ladies and gents, it looks like in South Africa, I heard from my child, I almost died. It looks like the kids are gonna go back to school, all of them. There's no more this timetable thing. Just imagine that. So it's gonna go back to normal as if there's no COVID or anything. So for us to be safe, please let's get the longish mouth fresheners and the calcium. You can also add our sanitizers, right? And make it a back to school combo. Please, please, I beg you, those mouth fresheners. If nurses in hospitals where these COVID patients are advocating for the long reach mouth freshener, why can't we? Why can't you do it? Why can't I do it? So we need to please do that. And I still love my kids, and I will love them forever. And I think you feel the same as a parent. So let's just do the right thing. Get the calcium, get the, get the calcium, get the mouth freshener, get the sanitizers. And remember the sanitizers. Remember last year when I trained you, in the news they say the sanitizers that are in the retail stores are of subpar quality. Yes, even if it's written that they've got this amount of alcohol, 75% or whatever, but they're lying. Um, yeah, if you can just check the December, it was, I think, the second training I did in December, where I was training on that, where a certain doctor was saying, I played the video, or yeah, no, it wasn't a video, it was, I took a screenshot. Yes, I took a photo where they said that they tested these products in retail stores. It's written that they've got this, let's say 75% or 70% alcohol, but they found that most of them don't even have, they range from 2% to 5% of alcohol. And remember, FDA says what 65% and above, and all of our sanitizers have 65% and above. We've got our mosquito spray, it's got 75% alcohol. We've got our Bazoa spray. Bazoa spray, it's also a sanitizer. We have our that 99% one that was I did train on it. The waterless one. Remember that was on special recently. And then we've got that 2-in-1, the one with the floral spray and the hand gel as well. So we spoil for choice when it comes to sanitizers. And we also have the hand cream. The hand cream is also a sanitizer. Let me see, leader favor. Please, if our dietary supplement is expired, is it still advisable to finish up the bottle? Hey, my leader, now I don't take anything that's expired. It's expired for a reason. No, don't take that, my leader. Your health is important. I wouldn't do that. For how many months? Because normally, we like to confuse herbs with chemicals. They are, with medication, ne? Medication. Please note, they normally say you can still drink it 3 months after the expiration date. Those are chemicals. Now we are talking about organic herbs here, longest product. So I am my leader. That will be a personal choice, but me personally, as Bulane, I grew up as a sickly child. Everything of mine has to be top notch. It's either it's within, it's safe to drink, because then when you get sick, where you gonna go to? It's not safe leadership. Leader Mudiechi, the longest sanitizer. Let's do this. Longest sanitizer is the best, moisturizing and smells like strawberry. And for ladies, our hand gel, my ladies, our hand gel. It's an aphrodisiac. I hope I didn't confuse anybody. Our hand gel, the 2-in-1, those ones that come in a package. I actually have them. I just didn't think I'll touch on them. Yeah, the hand gel is an aphrodisiac. And Lida Rosari, please, what longish products can somebody with prostate issues use? Okay, Lida Rosari, I think I will forgive you because I've touched on prostate so many times. Even in December, I touched. What I will advise you, my leaders, if you have not been in all of the trainings, to grow your business and to grow yourself, please visit all of the trainings that you've missed from me. Okay. So my leader for prostate, um, how far is the prostate? Let's start there. What stage is the prostate? Stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Leader Rosari. But in general, for prostate, worst case scenario, cordyceps militaris, the supplement, brown tea, berry oil, pentyliners. Okay, so it's the cordyceps militaris supplements, the berry oil, the pentyliners, the brown tea as well. The pentyliner, yeah, I've touched a lot on prostate. I'm not gonna go too much into prostate leadership. Yeah. So my leaders, do you have any other questions? Any other questions? So yes, my leaders. So no, hand lotion. It's I was talking about the hand lotion that is also a sanitizer. It doubles up as a sanitizer. Leader Rosari is just for prevention. So what he needs to do, and the alkaline pack up. How can I forget the alkaline pack up for prostate? Oh my word! So he can have the alkaline pack up water every day, and our pentyliners. Um, Pastor Sfiso is very big on the brown tea as well for prostate health. Okay, yeah. Um, so for that, I would say definitely your alkaline pack up water, your alkaline pack up, your sanitary wear, the panty liners, and the brown tea. Okay. And if they have a history, I know that prostate is not really hereditary, but if they have a history in the family, he also needs to supplement with maybe berry oil. He spoils for choice. You can take berry oil or the lebao for men, which is now called powerful snake powder capsules. So it's either berry oil or lebao or the ginger for men, the black ginger for men. So it's actually spoiled for choice. Good morning, Leader Yemi. Good morning, good morning. Yes, Fifi. Yes, also Fifi. It's a must have. It's a must have. So my leaders, we training is done. It was I was so worried that I won't be able because we started late. Hey. Did I favor? Okay, thanks. It expired November. I was having rash on my face and neck area while taking the Menquin supplement. So I stopped. My friend requested to continue, but it's expired now. Yeah, no, please, leadership. Yo, please, no, no. If it's expired, unfortunately, don't use it. Please, please, please. Yeah, prevention is better than cure. Remember that. And it's cheaper than cure. So yeah. So just let's see, you said you had are you still having that problem, leadership? Did a favor on your face and your neck? Are you still having that problem with the rash on your face and your neck? Anytime leader favor, anytime leadership. So while I wait for leader favor to answer if she still has the rash on her face and neck, my leaders, so for leaders who are not on my Facebook, thank you, leader Fatumi. What Fatuma? Ah, thank you so much, my leader. I'm putting this. This I want everyone to see. I love it. I love it. So my dear, the product. Remember, we have a product specialist academy. The product specialist academy. We enrolling from May. The classes start in May. So you can start. You can inbox me with more info. I'll send you the poster. Team USA have taken advantage. Leaders from the US are sending their proof of payments from Saturday, yeah. So yeah, you can, yeah. If you want to be a product specialist, if you want to be like me, or you still okay, you don't have it. Okay, yo, I was worried. I was worried. But please, my ladies, remember we need to always take our teas because I always say that we are fighting environmental agents that we cannot see with our naked eye, and then we wonder why we're having pimples. We have this, we have that. Always take the long reach teas religiously every day. It doesn't matter which tea, but I always say either the green tea or the pink tea. And if you have a family history of cancer in your family, green tea, okay? Take the green tea every day, even if it's 1 cup in the morning, 1 cup at night, it's fine. It's still fine. Leader Rosari, connect with me via Facebook, or you can WhatsApp me on what is it? 73. We need more product specialists, my leaders. I don't know the leaders who are the product specialists. Yeah, there's a few of them here. They can tell you that the education is very high. We are like it's Ivy League kind of education. Okay, Ivy League. So like Harvard University, University of Cape Town, you do get tests, you do get assignments. There is an assessor, there is a moderator, there is a professor who checks your work. Okay, so this is an actual school. We are not playing here. All right. So my leaders, thank you so much for your time. I really enjoyed. Hopefully, I'll see you next week. I saw that with leprosy. I was yesterday. Remember, I did training on leprosy last week. And the South African health calendar said the 23rd of January is Leprosy Day, right? And then when I checked yesterday, they changed the date to 30th of January, which is this coming Sunday. So please, let's go out there. Leprosy. Remember, every 2 minutes someone is diagnosed with leprosy. So this is serious. If you remember, I said if you missed my trainings, please go back. It does. It will help your business. A lot of leaders say that the trainings that I've given them have really helped them grow their business. Okay, my leaders. So do yourself a favor and just revisit the thank God to social media. Thank God to social media. Yes, did a favor, just say my number there. I shared it there, +2773 582 6733, and we will connect. Thank you so much, my leaders. I will see you next week, Monday. Mwah!